UK businesses, especially those that sell things online, have learned that flexible payment options are important. Merchant Machine says that by 2026, we could be a cashless country. Less and less of us are using cash to buy things. Even though cash is likely to stay around for a while, it's important to give customers a wider range of payment options. Besides credit and debit cards, EMV, chip and PIN, cards, and e-wallets, a growing number of people use cryptocurrencies to pay for things. In fact, the rise of Bitcoin ATMs in the United Kingdom shows how much we're using crypto not just for investments, but to make everyday transactions as well. However, there is a lot more to cryptocurrency than just Bitcoin, and it's not just about Bitcoin. Take a close look at Ripple and how it's different from other cryptocurrencies in this section, and we'll explain why. What is Ripple? Ripple is a company, a digital payment processing system, and a cryptocurrency called XRP. It's all three at the same time. Similar to Bitcoin, but Ripple's blockchain system is very different, and the currency is owned by only one company, Ripple. Bitcoin is mined by many people, but Ripple is owned by just one company. People who work for big businesses like banks use Ripple more often because it's faster and easier for them to make transactions. Even though the term Ripple is used to describe XRP, the company that owns most of it is called Ripple Labs and used to be called Ripple Labs. One of the things Ripple does is offer a lot of different payment systems. It also owns about 60 billion XRP and holds 55 billion in an escrow account. They can sell up to 1 billion of these a month, but they don't usually do that very often. If you want to make cross-border payments, you can use Ripple's blockchain system, called RippleNet, to help businesses and financial institutions. A payment processing system for banks, XRapid allows financial institutions to keep their liquidity costs low while using XRP as a bridge from one fiat currency to another, and XBIA lets them use XRP to move money from one country to another country, allows businesses to send payments via RippleNet. People who use Ripple's blockchain system come from all kinds of different types of banks, from small ones to big ones all over the country. If you want to learn more about American Express, AXP, you can check out their company report. In 2017, for example, the company announced a partnership with Ripple that allowed for limited blockchain payments between businesses in the United States and businesses in the UK. Ripple also says that the company is very flexible, can help big financial institutions, and has a very quick transaction time. XRP is at the heart of everything. What is Ripple XRP? One of Ripple's coins is XRP, and it runs on the XRP ledger. If you say, Ripple, many people will use the same word for the same thing, Ripple. If you want to use it, you can do the same thing you would with other currencies. You can buy it as a long-term investment, exchange it for fiat currencies, or other cryptocurrencies, and use it to buy things online or at a store, among other things. Many people who use Ripple think of it as a hawala service, which lets them send money across borders without any money moving between places. Think of Ripple as a way to connect two different types of money. Pros and cons of Ripple. Every cryptocurrency has both good and bad things about it. Merchants who know more about these things are better able to decide whether or not to accept Ripple as payment, or to use it as part of their investment plan. Look at this. Advantages of Ripple. It costs just 0.0001 XRP to send or receive money. At today's prices, this is less than a penny. Quick settlement. Most transactions are confirmed in 4 or 5 seconds. There are a lot of big businesses and banks that use Ripple, like Santander. Ripple can be used for transactions with XRP, other cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies, and even other things like gold. Disadvantages of Ripple. It's not like Bitcoin. XRP's supply doesn't get mined. The value of XRP is hard to figure out because investors don't know when a lot of it could be put into use. Ripple doesn't have as many transaction validators as other cryptocurrencies. In 2020, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, took legal action against Ripple because it was not as decentralized as other cryptocurrencies at the time. Because it can give out XRP at any time, the SEC thought it should have been registered as a security because it can do that. Until this is worked out, some institutions and exchanges aren't going to trust it as much as they should. Should I accept Ripple as payment? Even though the SEC has been fighting with Ripple XRP, there are many good reasons to accept it as payment. The Ripple network doesn't make a difference between fiat money and cryptocurrencies, and the fees for transactions are very low. As long as you've been thinking about using a crypto payment gateway, you might want to use Ripple. It can speed up and cut down on the cost of transactions. How to buy Ripple. Buying Ripple isn't yet as easy as buying Bitcoin, but it will be soon. If you want to exchange dollars for XRP on Bitstream, you may be able to do so, but it's not very often. To buy Ripple from Coinbase and Binance or any other exchange that sells the cryptocurrency XRP, you'll need to change another cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or the Ether, into XRP first. If you want to buy XRP with a different currency, you'll need an account on the exchange and a wallet where you can send your XRP. To get your XRP quickly, you need to make sure everything is in order first and then start the transaction. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.